An average town powered by the wind system generates enough energy to provide its needs and have the oversupply. The power excess becomes the missed profit. The climate changes cause problems in the energy supply of the town. This leads to industrial and daily citizens' lives worsening. On the other hand, it may be too much power generated, so it could be enough to provide a new town area, not to miss profit. Renewable energy sources may depend on climate conditions too, but we just need to use it in the proper way. First, we suggest to save and store the excess power until it will be necessary to use. Thus, we can make the energy system more independent. More than that, now we can call the utilization of excess power volume profitable for all participants. Crypto mining containers can easily be connected to the generator, so the unnecessary power becomes the necessary cryptocurrency. The received profit is distributed among all the system's participants. The entire system is a global platform where any participant can gain the necessary energy amount at the most profitable tariff anytime. Thus, all users are equal and there's no need to take the imposed rules. The cooperation with the blockchain platform is performed by Powerchain tokens, POWECs, the all-purpose payment method. Join us on early stage to get more benefits.